How to fix JBL Flip 5 not working or not charging step by step in this video, how you can simply solve this issue. So if your JBL Flip 5 is unresponsive or not charging, follow the steps to resolve the issue. Step 1 is check the power button and battery. Step 1, make sure the power button on the Flip 5 is present or pressed properly. Ensure the battery is not drained. If you haven't used it for a while, the battery could be fully discharged. Now charge the Flip 5, connect the USB-C charging cable to Flip 5 and a working power source. Check the LED charging indicator. It should show a flashing light while charging. If no light, try following. Try a different charging cable and the power adapter. If you're using a third-party USB-C cable or adapter, it might not work well for you, but you can try it. And now try a different power outlet or charging adapter to rule out an issue with your power source in the wall. Step 4 is inspect the charging port. Inspect the charging port for dust, hairs or anything else in it, and then check for any bent or broken pins inside the charging port itself. Step 5 is perform a hard reset. If the Flip 5 is still not turning on, try doing a hard reset. Press volume and other buttons simultaneously. After the reset, try turning on it again. Now last option is wait for the battery to charge, or if it's not still working, you can simply change that battery and get the problem solved out. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel.